Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast Napoleon Macro. We have SENS SENSEONICS Holding Inc. I just want to share with you all why I say that this market has the potential to move higher. Well, actually, the obligation from the buyers over the next 60 days. I'm going to go over that for you. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we're just going over price action. That's it. So let's see what we have in our charts, and let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's June the 7th, 2021, and the current or the previous close of SENS is going to be $2.98. Positive close, about 2.4% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. Here's the lines. Okay, so these actually are the original, believe it or not, the original lines that we had on the chart ever since the first video that we posted. Hopefully we'll have a link for that so you can just kind of verify our credentials. And the reason that I'm going to bring this up to your attention is because what I look for is, again, monthly candles. And if you notice here, I'm looking at these 3 months here, like these 3 candles right here, the buying interest candles, okay, the 3 green candles. And I'm pointing this out because if you notice, the next 3 monthly candles actually are red, okay? So essentially what just took place in the market is it took 3 months to move the price up. And it just took 3 months to move the market down at that red line at about $1.76. Came down there perfect. I don't know if you guys can see that. Perfect. All right, what is that? Okay, perfect. You see that? These 3 candles came down perfect. One here in March, April, and May. So this essentially means that the market, the buyers, it took them 3 months to move the price and actually wick as high as the all-time high. And the sellers, they stepped into the market, of course, and it took them 3 months to only push the price down to the previous level of resistance. That's all we go over if you're new. Support, resistance, and patterns, which again is at $1.76. Only a wick at that level. And right now, the buyers are stepping into this market. I think they'll have less than 60 days to show their true strength as they took 3 months to move the price up. And of course, the sellers 3 months to move the price down. And right now, since we are currently in this active monthly candle, which still has quite some time to close, actually. Look at it, 22 days. So yeah, this is actually a pretty interesting sign that there may be a lot of financial strength in this market. And if you see the market like get as high as $3.90 this month, wow, yeah, it's likely the market over the next 60 days. Well, actually, it's a little bit over 60 days because remember, this is an active candle. It's a monthly candle here. And it has like 22 days. So 60 days plus 22 days would be my guesstimate that the market will likely see some bullish momentum. So expect to see a retest or an obliteration of the all-time highs at about $5.05. So that'll be my prediction, okay? Next 6 months, less than 3 months, it's likely we're going to see another test or an obliteration of the $5.05 level. Okay, just give it some time. If you guys are long-term investing out there, you should be just fine. And if I had to just kind of come up with a price target, of course, it depends on when this actually takes place because I just pull out my little lines here. And yeah, we're not even going to do that, actually. 505. Let's get above the 505 level first and perhaps find any other alternative higher targets above the all-time high when that time comes, if that time comes, okay? But so far, it's setting up pretty bullish. I think everything looks really good here. Assuming that it can clear that range, that level that we already discussed, guys, $3.90. If you see any price activity near that level or through that level this month, oh yeah. Yeah, this market is in for some really nice price activity to the upside. So we'll look forward to that. Hopefully we give you guys an update as necessary. If the market is above the I know this is probably going to be like a stretch, but the $1, like let's just call it like $2.10. I think that was the last level that we gave you guys on our last update on SENS. $2.10. If it's above that level, assume the market will continue higher over the course of the next less than 3 months. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video out there to the investors and give them some levels to take into consideration, and perhaps give them a time frame to see some potential bullish momentum to the upside. Also, if you're new, before you go there, if you're into alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins, kindly subscribe to us, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. Once again, thanks for stopping in, listening until the end, guys. It's huge support. Thank you. We'll talk soon. Execute your strategies, and bye for now.